This is low beam without fog lamp. This is low beam with fog lamp. This is just the fog lamp. This is the DRL. And this is how the fog lamp setup of the new Fronx looks. The fitment is perfect, there is no gap. And the throw can be seen here also. This is just the DRLs on. Turn off the light. This is the low beam without fog lamp. Sorry, this is low beam without fog lamp. This is low beam with fog lamp, high beam, and this is just the fog lamp. This is the DRL and this is the fog lamp. The throw is decent enough now. This is low beam with fog lamp on. And now the fog lamp is off. The fog lamp is on again, and this is high beam, low beam again. So right now this is low beam with fog lamp, and this is the visibility. High beam, low beam with fog lamp. The difference that the fog lamp is making is the visibility nearby. So the area that was blinded by the low beam is now covered by the fog lamp, so anything at close proximity will be visible easily. So now the fog lamps are turned off, so now we will be able to understand better. This is how much is the stock power of the stock fog lamps, and this is low beam, high beam, and this is just the fog lamp. With just the fog lamps, this is the power. With low beam it is much better, and it is set at 2 here, between 2 and 3. High beam, low beam, just the fog lamp, and the fog lamp off now. And with the fog lamp you can see and the low beam again.